Hey, I'm gonna go fishing and I want to show you this new mount that I picked up for the GoPro real quick. This thing has got a locking mechanism in it, just like the original GoPro mount. You can slide this in from the top, you can slide it in from the bottom, and then this one piece right here clips in, very secure. It's got a nice pad on the back. I think I'm really going to like this mount. Very, very comfortable. If you want a more in-depth look at the mount, I'll leave a link to the overview on that on my other channel, onlymyopiniontech. Link that in the description. Gives you a much better look at the mount. Let's go do some fishing. I'm going to go test this thing out, and the way I've got it set up is where I can look down, which also helps me to see the screen to be sure that I've got everything set on the settings that I want. I'm wearing my fishing backpack, and it seems to be working fine with that so far. Let's go head toward the water. I'm going to use this bubblegum zoom worm and see what it does today. And just for anybody that's interested, I'm using the Telesin remote to do all of my recording. If anybody's interested in that, let me know. I'll make a short video on it. There's one. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Come on. Man, I don't know if he's in some grass or... if he is just that stubborn. This is a bit long, but I'm going to let this play without an edit, just to show that sometimes you have to be patient. I was feeling him, I don't feel him now. I have not encountered any grass this tough out here before. I'm going to give him a little slack and see if he swims out of that. I'm not really feeling him on there anymore. Yeah, he's still on there, I think. I think he's still on there. Never encountered this out here before. Oh, there he comes. Here he comes. Come on. Come on. Wow. That was unique. Man, what a cluster of grass. And he's still in there. All right. I'll take it. That was certainly different. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe 2 pounds? Got him right in the roof of the mouth. Boy, it was a good solid hookup. or I would have lost him. See you later, buddy. All right. Good thing this Telesin is waterproof. Come on, get out of the grass. Come on. Come on. Man, there must be a heck of a bed of grass going out there. Come on in. Hey, here it comes. Come on. Come on. Come on, little buddy. All right. Yeah, that's not too bad. See you later, buddy. Oh, not going to the rocks. There you go. I was very happy with the way that chest mount performed. I'll throw a link to it in the description if you want to take a look at it. I need to work on the angle thing. I didn't quite have that right, but you know, that's trial and error. I appreciate anybody that's still here, and whether that mounts for you or not, let you decide. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna throw a couple other videos up over here, and I'll catch you in one of those, or I'll catch you down the road. Appreciate it.